Hi, I'm Lawrence Todd at Design 911, and today I'm going to be giving you a tech talk that will hopefully myth bust the difference between OE parts and OEM parts. Now, what is an OE part and what is an OEM part? OE stands for original equipment and OEM stands for original equipment manufacturer. Now, when you buy your Porsche, every single part on that car is an original equipment part. What does that mean? Well, when Porsche designed that car, those parts got made one of three ways. Porsche designed the part and manufactured the part themselves, or Porsche would have designed the part and got a third party to manufacture the part themselves. Or the final way that part could get made is that Porsche would have given a manufacturer of that type of part, whether it be a light, maybe a brake assembly, etc. They would have given them some key design criteria, some spacing kind of limitations, and said we need a product, maybe a light or a brake solution that kind of fits these parameters. And they would have then got that manufacturer to make it for them. Regardless of how that part got made for that car, whether Porsche designed and made it themselves, whether Porsche designed and got a third party to make it, or whether Porsche subcontracted the whole design and manufacture out, that part is classed as an OE, an original equipment part. When you come to replace a part, either because it's worn out or become damaged, you typically have three options. But today I'm only going to be talking to you about two of them. The three options are replacing that part with an original equipment part. Alternatively, you can replace it with an original equipment manufacturer part or an aftermarket part. For this video, we're going to completely forget aftermarket parts and just focus on replacing with an original equipment part and an original equipment manufacturer part. If Porsche have subcontracted the manufacture or the design and manufacture out to a third party, when you come to replace that part, there may be the option to buy an OEM part, an original equipment manufacturer part. In some instances, you can't. And the reason for this is because when Porsche got that company to either just manufacture or design and make that part, they also requested exclusivity to it. An example of this is the brake calipers on this 911. Porsche constructed Brembo to design the braking system on the 911, but they have asked for exclusivity on the brake caliper such that you can't buy an OEM part. Now, in other instances, you can buy OEM parts, but there's this big kind of like, stigma might be the wrong word, but there's this cloud over the fact that they're potentially kind of like B grade, lesser quality, etc. They're not. They're made in exactly the same factory to the exact same spec. The only difference between an OE part and an OEM part that is made by a third party is the fact that it doesn't have the Porsche kite mark on, which I'm going to show you in a second. Other than that, OE parts and OEM parts are identical. OEM parts can be a much more cost-effective way to replace parts that are either damaged or worn out on your Porsche. So if you don't believe me that OE parts and OEM parts are exactly the same, I'm about to bust that myth. On my right, I have what Porsche call Porsche genuine parts. And on my left, I have the exact same parts, but just the original equipment manufacturer. The only thing that they're going to be missing is a flag mark, okay? The only other difference is the price. These are substantially cheaper than genuine parts. The reason for that is because of distribution networks. If we take, for example, these spark plugs, these are genuine Porsche spark plugs supplied by Porsche, buy them in a pack of 10. Here's a spark plug. This spark plug is made by Bosch for Porsche. On the spark plug here is the Porsche kite mark. At the time of filming this video, these Porsche spark plugs retail for about £26. Here, I have some original equipment manufacturer spark plugs, again, made by Bosch. If I open these up, here I have an OEM spark plug. This one on my right, this Porsche one, is OE, and this one on my left is OEM. Both made by Bosch. These are also both R6 spark plugs. The only difference is that this one, which is an OE plug, has the Porsche kite mark, and this one doesn't. That is the difference in them physically. The other massive difference is, as I said, at the moment of filming this video, these plugs retail for about £26. These plugs retail for about £6. A massive difference. And that it doesn't end there. So these are the spark plugs. I can show you the same with brake pads. So as I mentioned, on this 911, the caliper is exclusive to Porsche. But things like brake discs, consumables, things that you're going to be replacing quite often, brake pads definitely more than plugs, but plugs are also consumables. They don't have exclusivity on. So these brake pads here, these are the genuine Porsche ones, manufactured by Brembo. Here and here, I have a set of Brembo pads. These ones don't have the Porsche kite mark, but they are identical. Another example I have here to show you that OE parts and OEM parts are exactly the same, other than the price, is a set of lights here that I have manufactured by Hella on behalf of Porsche. Now, this light here has been sourced directly from Porsche. This light here has been sourced directly from Hella. As you can see, the boxes are identical. The only difference on these boxes are the stickers. This one saying genuine Porsche, this one saying Hella. Can you tell any difference at the moment? Because I can't. They're packaged in exactly the same way. If I now take them out of their packaging, so this is the genuine Porsche one. This is the one supplied directly from Hella. These two lights are identical. The only difference on them is this sticker here. So this white sticker, this one says Hella and has the Porsche kite mark, and this one just says Hella. At the time of filming this video again, this Hella light directly, this OEM Hella light, is half the price of this genuine parts Porsche one. It's absolutely nuts. Other than that, there is no difference. Again, the quality, all of that kind of like B grade parts, it's not true. They are identical other than the kite mark. It could be an instance where I was showing you the exactly same tail light, you know, it fits the same car. It is for the same car, but it's different. This is where Porsche has either changed their design or changed the manufacturer of the part. There may be another change to that part, and that being the part number. So if you do order a part and you think, hang on, this isn't the right part because it's got a different part number, it may be because the design has had a change or the manufacturer has had a change, but it will still be an original equipment manufacturer part, and it will still fit your Porsche and be exactly the same quality as the part you took off. And it doesn't end there. In places where Porsche doesn't have contracts giving them exclusivity, you can get OEM parts. We have flywheels here, we have clutch pressure plates, we have brake discs, all sorts. So yes, fortunately, Design 911 know who these manufacturers are, and they have great relationships with them, allowing you to purchase OEM parts for a fraction of the cost of going directly to Porsche and buying OE parts. So if you are looking to purchase new parts for your Porsche, whether you have to replace worn out parts or replace damaged parts, you can head to design911.com, where you'll be able to source any part for your Porsche. If you found a part that you want and you've clicked on a part and it says genuine Porsche part, but you're wondering whether there are any other alternatives available for you to purchase, if you scroll down on that page, you'll then see a little section on the page that says alternative products. Here, there are a list or a display of any other alternative products which are a direct replacement. Every part listed on the Design 911 website is presented along with the manufacturer's name. If you're not sure whether one of these alternative parts that you're looking at with the manufacturer is an OEM manufacturer, don't hesitate to get in touch with the team at Design 911. You can either use the chat function on the website or get in touch by either email or phone. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next Tech Talk.